Welcome to this tutorial on using sections everywhere in Shopify, a powerful feature that allows you to create custom and flexible page layouts. To get started, navigate to the theme editor in your Shopify dashboard and click on the Add Section button. This will open a list of available sections you can add to your page. You can choose from a variety of pre-built sections such as image, text, and rich text, or you can create your own custom sections using Shopify's section builder. Once you have added a section, you can customize its settings by clicking on the section title and adjusting the options in the sidebar. For example, you can change the background color, add a heading, or upload an image. One of the key benefits of using sections everywhere is the ability to create custom layouts on any page. To do this, click on the Add Section button on the page where you want to add the custom layout, and then select the section you want to use. You can also duplicate sections to quickly create similar layouts, or you can move sections to different parts of the page by dragging and dropping them. To take your page layouts to the next level, you can also use Shopify's built-in spacing and padding controls to adjust the margins and alignment of your sections. Best practices for using sections everywhere include keeping your sections organized by using a consistent naming convention, and using the preview mode to test and refine your layouts before publishing them. By following these steps and tips, you can unlock the full potential of sections everywhere in Shopify and create unique and engaging page layouts that enhance the user experience and drive sales.